Hello and welcome to another episode of Thoughtful Leaders by collegedunia.com. Today we have with us Dr. S. Arvind, who is the Dean of Academics at Heatham College, Hyderabad. Uh, Hello and welcome to the show, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you for giving this opportunity to speak about Hitam in terms of academics,
Yes, sure, sir. So I
college
would
dunia.
like to give a small introduction about you to all our audience. So, Dr. S. Arvind is an academician and administrator with social responsibility, processing 27 years of rich experience at various levels and committees in engineering institutes. Pursued BE, MTech, and PhD in computer science and engineering, presented and published 54 papers in reputed national and international conferences and journals, chaired several sessions in international conferences, recipient of state and district level awards for social service, Best Guide Awards from KSCSP Bangalore and IBM and Bytes Bangalore, visited Michigan and Winston, USA as GSE member for Rotary 3160. So, with this brief introduction, I would love to welcome you on the show, sir. Thank you for taking your time out today, sir, for us.
Thank you, madam.
So,
You can
sir,
go ahead with.
yeah. So, as you have been part of key positions at educational institutes throughout your professional career, so what are the key factors that keeps you connected to the education sector, sir?
Basically, I joined this profession in the year 1992, and I am coming across the various category of students who are pursuing their engineering. Particularly, we had seen the cosmopolitan culture, and the major factors that has kept me connected to this one is the quality in terms of the teaching and also shaping the students' future. Because parents are keeping the students into our hands, so it is we who will take that responsibility and shape their futures. That has prompted me to be in this field since 27 years.
That's great to note, sir. So, the next question would be, as you know, the education system in India and other foreign countries are structured very differently. So, in your
So,
experience, what can an inbound student gain from studying here at your institute?
and even I think you are aware, and also the people are aware that Hitam is something a little bit following the different approach in teaching the students. Unlike the other institutions where they just give the quality teaching, maybe in terms of theoretical subjects as well as the practicals, whatever is there in the curriculum. But here we provide, along with the theory and practicals, we involve the students in the experiential learning, and also we take up a lot of pedagogies where we involve the students also in the learning. That is how we are different comparing to the others.
Sure, sir. So, how does the academic structure of Heatham College ensure the best practice of industry and helping the students turning into a professional?
At Hitam, we look at the student's perspective. Whenever he joins the institution, we take the aspiration from the student, in which direction he wants to go, whether he wants to go for the placement or entrepreneur, or he want to go for higher education. Based on the aspirations, we have the various sectors at the institution. One is in the form of SSDC center, where we'll support the students technically to grow his knowledge so that he can be more competent in attending the interviews. And also we had partnerships with various companies, particularly with the IBM. IBM, with the help of the IBM, we are providing the certification course in the latest technologies that will also help the students for either as a placement or even he can become an entrepreneur in that one.
Definitely, sir, getting such opportunities is really good, and from Eton University, definitely great. What do you think should be the institute's top academic priorities over the next 5 years?
That's a good question, madam. Hitam, though it is from 2001 onwards, we were accredited by the NBA recently, the last year. And also we have been inspected by the NAC and are waiting for the results. Once the results are announced, the immediate step will be to become an autonomous institution. And our main goal is to become a university, which is a lean university which can give the quality education to the students to meet the requirements of the society.
That's great to know, sir. So, what do you see as your institute's greatest strengths?
The major strength of the institution is our management is having a proper vision, which they will implement it with the support of all the Hitamites and also the core team of our faculty members who are always there to support the students, and the work culture, which is not like the normal colleges. Hitam here, whether it is a student or the faculty, the management will always feel that they are our own team. So to whatever the support they require, they will be getting the support from the management. That culture is different from the other colleges.
That's great to know, sir. So, being the Dean of Academics, how important is it to have updated subjects for the students?
Yeah, so madam, it's a good question. See, as far as we are affiliated institution, we will be following the structure of the university under which we are affiliated. But the present market demands a lot more than what the university provides in the form of a curriculum. So to provide all those things, as I already mentioned, that we have a centers in the form of SSDC, through which we will incorporate the curriculum which is required by the industry to bridge the gap between the industry as well as the curriculum. And also we entertain the students to undertake internships in the various companies. That will also give them the first-hand experience of the industry exposure so that they will be ready for the placements.
That's great, sir. And sir, what do you think academics has to do anything with knowledge? What is your take on that?
Yeah, definitely. There is a lot of discussions. Always it takes place about the knowledge, academics, and the intelligence and all those things. See, when we speak specifically academics and the knowledge, definitely the technical knowledge, whatever a student gains, it should go in parallel or in handle with the academics. So definitely it is a parallelly academics will also play a major source in improving the technical knowledge for any of the student so that he can face any of the situation in his life.
Definitely, sir, because knowledge and academics always goes hand in hand, like along with practical and with theoretical knowledge,
Yes,
you need to have practical knowledge as well. So that's really great. Uh,
practical, yes.
yes. Is there any other thing that you would want people to know about your college that you think they may not know?
Yeah, one is major thing is, madam, as far as Hitam is concerned, we believe in Satya Hitam Satyam, which is we follow the ethics, and also the work culture is different from the other places. And above all these things, I can proudly say Hitam is more student-centric institution. It is just a normal engineering where they will follow certain curriculum and deliver the things. Here we are more student-centric. Suppose if a student has taken admission into the Hitam and tomorrow his aspiration may change. At the first year, he may not be very clear that I want the placement or I want the become entrepreneur or I want to develop something. So second year when he realizes that his goal is, so we mold the student in such a way that whatever is his aspiration, we will help him to reach his aspiration. Whereas in the many of the places where I have worked earlier, it is only a third party support what the institution will give to the student in the form of training for the placements. But here we faculty ourselves will involve and ensure that the student, whoever has taken the admission in Hitam, he will not go empty handed after the completion of that degree. That is how Hitam differs comparing to the other institutions.
That's great to know, sir. So, is there any message that you would like to give to the current youth and to the aspiring students of Hitam, sir?
See, learning never ends, whether it is a student or faculty or any of the parent, right? And I can proudly say Hitam is a place where there is no depth in order to learn anything. There is no depth of support from the management or from the faculty members. If anyone wants to learn anything new, we are always there to support them. And the student, whoever is either he is taking admission or he has already enrolled in the Hitam, he has to be very open to their faculty members and convey this is my requirement and this is what I want to become. So in order to achieve that, whatever the support they are expecting, Hitam is always there for the students. To never hesitate to put forward your requirement or your demand or your aspirations to your faculty members. That is what I wanted to tell to any of the students.
Definitely, that's a great message to put through, sir. So that's all with the questions. So thank you for giving out your time today, sir, and like giving such valuable insights about Heatum. And I'm sure the audience would have gained a lot of knowledge about Heatum itself and the academic structure and everything. So from the whole team of College Dunia, I really thank you for taking out your time today and being with us here on the show, sir. Thank you so much.